Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be upcycling 3 things from our closet to turn them into back to school outfits. I've always wanted to do a back to school series, but I've never been alive enough or forthright enough to actually do it on time. So this year, I'm starting a back to school series and this is going to be my first video. And you might be asking yourself, Gabby, you're 26, why are you making a back to school series? I'm sorry. Am I not a student of life? If you're the type of person that likes to use their creativity and fashion sense to express themselves and draw attention to yourself for better or for worse, then this video is for you. All of these DIYs are going to make you look a little weird, but if you're here, that's what you are. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go into your closet and pick out 3 things that you never wear, preferably a short sleeve shirt, a long sleeve shirt, and a piece of outerwear. I personally never wear this plaid shirt, this white shirt, and this blue blazer. So today I need to upcycle them or I'm gonna throw them away. The first thing we're DIYing is this long sleeve plaid shirt. And this DIY is perfect for people who are like, I want to be weird, I want to be out there, but I'm not ready, there's too many emotions. I got you. The supplies you'll need are some fabric glue, some scissors, and some peel-off rhinestones. The first thing you want to do is make a half moon shape, starting from the top of the shoulder, going all the way down to wherever you want the cutout to end. Just make sure your hole is the same size on the other side. After that, we're going to use our scissors to cut out the 2 half moons, and then you should be left with giant gaping holes in your shirt. This is where the fabric glue comes in handy. We're going to hem the edges of the cutout so that none of the threads start to fray over time. So you're just going to put a little bit of fabric glue along the edge of the cutout, fold the fabric over, and make sure that the fold is even on all sides. Once it's nice and hemmed, we can get to the fun of the gems. I'm just using these peel-off gems that I got from Michael's, and I'm literally just cutting them up, peeling off the back, and sticking them onto the fabric. When you're done, you should be left with something simple and pretty like this. If you want to take it a step further, you can add a couple of the little gems on the collar. This next project is going to make sure that all eyes are on you. All you're going to need for this is some fabric paint, a paintbrush, a paint palette, and a cup of water. The first thing you want to do with this t-shirt is film it at an angle so ugly that no one will ever be able to tell what you're doing. To start this design off, I decided to paint eye shapes outside of the buttons going down the center of the shirt. You do not have to use a toothpick to paint these eyes. I just for some reason could not find my smallest brush. If you wanted to, you could kind of leave the shirt like that and it would look super cute, or you could just paint a whole bunch of little adorable line art eyes and that would look super cute as well. I am too extra and I have no self-control, so I can't leave it there. For this project, just go wild and have fun. How many different ways can you interpret eyes? And if you mess up on your lines, if it looks a little hairy, if it looks a little messy, don't worry about it. As long as it looks messy in a whole bunch of different places, it'll look like it's on purpose. Don't forget to stick a piece of paper inside the shirt so that whatever you're painting doesn't transfer to the other side. When you're done, you should have something like this. I like to wear this with a black short skirt, black tights, and my black shoes to keep it all nice and monochrome. I love how weird and different this top turned out, and it's definitely a conversation starter. The last project is my favorite because it reminds me so much of an outfit that maybe Miss Frizzle would wear from the Magic School Bus. For this project, you're going to need a whole bunch of pom-poms, plus a whole bunch of yarn, scissors, and glue. The yarn is going to cause a little bit of a hazard, but it's alright, you can work through it. Take some yarn and wrap it around 3 or 4 fingers, literally a zillion times. When you start to grow gray hairs in areas that you never thought would grow hair, that's when it's time to stop. Take a piece of string, wrap it around both sides of the yarn, and then snippity snip 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 the ends, fluff it out, and you will have something that looks nothing like the tutorials told you it would look. You're going to have a whole bunch of failures, lots of lies, but you'll know how to deal with it because you are creative. Keep making pom-poms until you've got the pom-pom pox. Once you're done with that, you're going to lay your jacket on a surface and start covering up your jacket with your pom-poms. Make sure that you get them in the places that you really want them to be in before you start gluing them down. Keep going until the top half of the jacket is just completely covered the way that you like it. Once you're done, you should be left with this. This jacket can either be paired with something super plain to dress it up, or enhance something really colorful and rainbow sparkly already. It makes you look creative and proud and confident and zany, and everyone's gonna love it. Time to see who wins the giveaway. Hey, Juliana, you win the colored painting. All right, now let's see who wins. Harry. I was about to say, if Juliana won both of them. Alexis Dorn, congratulations, you won Harry. I hope you guys really liked this video. I had so much fun making it for you. If you want, you can leave me some requests for back to school videos down in the comments below, whether you are a graduate, whether you are a student of life, or a student in an actual school, it doesn't matter. Learning never stops. Congratulations to the giveaway winners. I'm going to leave their faces right over here. You guys can contact me at either A, Instagram in my DMs, Twitter in my DMs, or C, my email, which is right down here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!